In a modern nuclear war, 5 billion people will perish, but the impact of global starvation induced by sunlight-blocking pollution will likely far outweigh the losses inflicted by the explosions, foreign media reported, quoting a study. Rutgers University scientists drew out the impacts of 6 potential nuclear conflict scenarios. The worst-case scenario, a full-scale conflict between the United States and Russia, would wipe out more than half of humanity, according to the study published in the journal Nature Food. The figures were based on estimations of how much soot would enter the environment from conflagrations caused by nuclear weapons and explosion. Researchers used a climate forecasting tool endorsed by the National Center for Atmospheric Research to evaluate crop yields on a country-by-country basis. The study indicated that a localized conflict between India and Pakistan would result in a 7% drop in food yields within 5 years, while a conflict between the United States and Russia would result in a 90% decline within 3 to 4 years. Alan Robock, co-author of the paper and professor of climate science in the Department of Environmental Sciences at Rutgers University, stated, "The numbers tell us one thing. We must prevent a nuclear war from ever happening.